Hello, this is Kim Davis, and I'm trying out Screencast-O-Matic for the first time. I decided to disable the webcam because it was too distracting to look at myself, so I'm just using the narration, and I am trying to lead students through a walkthrough of my Blackboard site that I have started to develop. So I'm starting here for my course, which is an Introduction to Graduate Studies in English. And I created a Getting Started page. So I set it up a lot like Eric has set up our site for the Online Teaching Institute, with current weeks on the left and coming weeks. I put a link to the syllabus on the left-hand side because I found it hard to find later on. The Getting Started, announcements, discussion boards, and the peer forum as well on the left. But the Getting Started section, students will probably see that and immediately click on that, so it seems like a good place to begin. I gave a little bit of an introduction to the course and how the Blackboard site is developed under this Getting Started section. I gave them a link to an Adobe webinar that I'm going to be doing on the first week of class. And a lot of links I copied from Eric's Getting Started section down below. So the first part is a general overview, then the syllabus, and links down here, information technology, student resources for online learning success, and the Blackboard tutorial for students that I thought would be useful sections for students to have in that Getting Started piece. I also directed them towards weeks 1, week 2, and week 3, the modules. And I set up a couple of those pages, so I'll click on one and see how that goes. I set it up in terms of starting off with goals for the week, where I reference the learning outcomes often, the list of the readings for the week and a date by which they have to be completed, and the assignments as well. And then further on down the page, I included links to specific assignments, the discussion board, as well as some links to the readings as well. I thought maybe I could also take a quick look at the syllabus and walk you through some of those details there. So if I click on here, I'm hoping that it will take you to the syllabus as well. So here is the, I'll just make this a little bit bigger so you can see. So here is the digital syllabus, which does have live links, so anything you click on, you can go directly there. The first page gives an overview of technical details about the class, about me, and how to reach me, the books for the class, software and technical skills that students might need. Page 2 is a table of contents, and I did my best to set this up so that it also has live links to the sections, the course goals and outcomes, course policies, grading, assignments, etc. This course schedule, the weekly reading schedule. So for example, if you just click on this, it takes you right to the course schedule. That's probably the one that students will be looking at the most often because it gives a sort of preview of the different assignments that are going to be due that week and what the major topic is. Other things that are of importance to students, the grading and the course assignments. So grading, what percentage of the course that these different assignments contribute towards, and then descriptions of the assignments follow from there. I'm hoping to add more to this geography of our Blackboard course site when I figure out how to link to things like getting them quickly to the gradebook section. So once I do more with my Blackboard site, I'm going to add more information in here. So I think that will give you a little bit of a sense of my syllabus, and I've learned how to use Screencast-O-Matic. So I'm going to stop there and hopefully try to post this to YouTube and see how that goes.